recently when I wind my window down, it goes down fine up until a point and then it gets stuck there. I have to really sort of force it down. It's kind of all right when it goes back up, it's fine. So I'm going to take the door card off and investigate. I'm hoping this will just prise off. I expect something's going to break. I'll report back. I'm just going to start pulling this away, maybe using a screwdriver. It has sort of clipped out a bit at the bottom there. Nothing else has come yet. Oh yeah, there you go, it does come. I'm a bit scared about this bit. I'll use 2 hands. Yeah, all these metal clips are coming out. Ooh, doesn't look like anyone's been in here for a while. I think some greasing's in order. Nothing's broken as I pulled it out though, so that's good. It's all pretty sturdy. Just when it has to start coming back away from me, it gets very stuck and then goes, and you can see we need to get some grease and stuff in there. It's so dry. Okay, let's grease this. Final test. Up and down. Oh, that's perfect. There's no notch at all there. Really nice, really smooth. Good job. I guess I should do the other door at some point, but not today.